Okay, for our SQL, we learned the add field delimiters function. So, and we monitor our code. So SQL, we import ArcGIS from ArcGIS import environment workspace, and we put the path name and function airport shapefile. And then FC, we have delimited field, ArcGIS add field delimiters. And we have county, and then we add a cursor and ArcGIS dot data, and then search cursor, and we have a name, delimited field, and we had ArcGIS row, and for the row cursor we print row. So, and we click run. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 5 things we got selected. So the SQL is also used in a number of geoprocessing tools, and a similar approach can be used to create valid SQL expressions. And now we will do the select, close SQL, and for the select we have import ArcGIS from ArcGIS import environment workspace, and we will put the path name. And we have airports and alpha, RFC is results, airports, and ArcGIS shapefile. Delimited ArcGIS add field delimiters in FC and county. Then we have an ArcGIS select analysis. We add this, and now we saved it and we run. And yeah, we did run, and then we refresh, and that's the airport coverage. If you run here again, you will get an error message. All right, so we have to see open attribute data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. We have the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And zoom in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's the 5 points here. And we make it bigger. Let's make it 30. Oh, 20, 28 then. There. All right. So now we will work with update cursors. So 2 other cursor types can be used to work with row objects. Update cursors are used to make changes to existing records, and insert cursors are used to add new records. First, we will use an update cursor to update attribute values and delete records, because this will permanently modify the data. It's a good idea to copy the data first. So now we will do go here to put the airport layer, which I already have, and then we right click to look at these. Put it back and right click open attribute data, and then we're going to scroll to the field state. All right, and we notice some value are blank, and then we're going to do is close this out first. And in the catalog window, we're going to navigate and copy airports to the results folder. Copy and then paste, so that we have 2 airports. And then we can make edits without having to worry about keeping the original intact. We're going to work with insert and update cursor, just like editing and having the feature class you want to work with in a script be open at the same time. ArcMap may result in errors because of a shared log of ArcMap places on the feature class. So I'm gonna have to close this. Now back in Python Wing, what I did was I opened the a new document and clear our interactive window. And the new one, I'm going to name it updated Py. So now we're going to put the script. So learning the script, import ArcPy from ArcPy, import environment and environment or workspace, and equals, oopsies, I don't have it. Let me bring something back. Alright, not this one. Let's bring this back. I need the path name. It's okay. There. And then FC equals results and airport shapefile SHP and delimit file. The limit field equals ArcPy add field delimiters, and then FC state add field delimiters. So it should be fine. Oh, I need to capitalize. Alright, F there, and I have a cursor equals ArcPy update cursor FC, and then state, and then delimit filed plus and angle brackets with a K for row in cursor row 0 equals to a K cursor dot update row delete row and delete cursor. Let's see. And then let's see, file, something wrong miss here. Raised exception raised. Okay, import ArcPy. And from ArcPy, import environment workspace, workplace space, and save it. And then I have the path and results, airports shapefile, delim field. Alright, and then ArcPy add field delimiters, and then state, and then cursor ArcPy the update cursor, and then FC upstate delimit field, and then Alaska. For row in cursor, row 0 is a K, cursor update row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cursor ArcPy update FC state delimit field. For our cursor. Let's see if I have something wrong here. Oh, right here. At least I found something. It's comma. Save and run again. Alright, it says return with access code 0. And we're going to update ArcMap 10.4, and we will bring the shapefile. Nope. Let's see. We're getting to know ArcGIS, Python, data 7, and is it in? We're going to check the airports. Oh, no. Yeah. Open attribute table. And then we have state. Perfect. And we have the state. And that has been updated. So now our state, navigate on, we have a state now. It's 2-1, perfect. In addition to updating attributes using the update role method, search cursor can also be used to delete field also. And we're going to practice the delete. Let's see, back to Python Wing and open a new one. Oh, not open. I'm going to get a new, fresh new one, and then I'm going to file, save as. Alright, so I'm going to do is delete. Okay, and then the delete import ArcPy from ArcPy import environment and environment workspace equals let me put the path name and FC equals, we have results and airports shapefile and cursor equals arcpy dot dat dot updated cursor FC, and I have TOT underscore AMP, put a parenthesis for row in cursor, if row 0 smaller than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, cursor dot delete row delete cursor. Perfect. And then save it and then run. There is an arrow each time. Oh my god. At least I can spot one. For row in cursor arcpy data, cursor top, I have this, and for results airports, that's fine. Let's run it again. Perfect. And it says exit code 0. And now we back to the ArcMap, and then we will have to this might lock. Let's see if it works. Okay, might not work because